Tired of forgetting things? Google Tasks makes it easier to stay organized by creating simple to-do lists, setting reminders, and keeping track of everything on your phone or computer as well. It's free and super easy to use. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Google Tasks full tutorial. Firstly, all I have to do is just open your browser and dive into Google Tasks like that. As you can see, we have Google Tasks, and then you click over enter once you're done, and you click over the first one. You have also other option or other way to join Google Tasks. You have just to here go to the Google, and then you have to select, and you go to the Gmail, then you select here the button of like that, and you select here Google Calendar, then you have just to select tasks and you get started with this one. All right, so this is the second way. Also we have other way, which is diving into calendar.google.com. You will find here a various things. You have just to click over create, and you select the option of task, and you will find here how you can create a tasks. So right now let's just focusing on this one by clicking over Google Tasks, and you will find it like that. So firstly, let's know what is Google Tasks. Google Tasks is an easy to use tool for organizing your to-do lists. You can quickly add tasks, set a due dates, and create subtasks and for bigger projects as well. It's centered across all your devices, so you can access your tasks on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can also link tasks to Gmail and Google Calendar for better organization. Best of all, it's completely free and simple to get started. All I have to do right now is just click over here in the top left, and you click over create, and you add a title. For example, I will just here add task 1, for example. Then you click over save. After here choosing also the day that you want. For example, here I will select 18, then I will select all day if I want, or I will select also here the option of daily, weekly on Sunday, monthly on day 17, or annually on November 17, or custom. Once you click over custom, you have firstly to select how much data you want, or you can just here select how much week or how much month, or so how much here, as you can see. So once you click over custom, you have to also here to start with which day. You have just to select which day you're gonna start, sorry, for example 20. Then I will click over OK, and then it's gonna be end on never or on. Once you click over on, you select here which day. For example, I will select 31 on December 2024, and then we have here after, and you select how much occurrences that you want. So we have three options. You can select the one you want, right? For example, I will select 10 occurrences, then I will click over OK, and we have it here daily 10 times. Right. So right now I will just add a description. For example, here I will add something. You have just to write yours and describing something. So I just give you an example because I can't let it here without writing something. So then we'll click over save once you're done, and you'll find here our task. It's like that, and here we have it right now. If you want to add a task, you click over here, and we have here added tasks, as you can see, and you have just to add a title, details, date, and time, and then you get started. Also we have here other options that could help you. For example, we have here start. As you can see, you have just to add a tasks or start task, and then you write the title, the details, and also the date and time. For example, about this one, you have just to add a date, November 2024 and 27, right? Then you set a time, 10 or 11 em, and then you have to select if you want to repeat, and you custom all those things. As you can see, which time it's going to be start or which day specifically, then it's going to be end on never or on December 27 or other day, then after 30 occurrences as well, as you can see also. Then you click over OK once you're done. All right, so also we have the other things like here my tasks, task 1 and 2, task 1, and here we have the lists that I already created. As you can see, you can just click over here if you want to create a new list. Once you click over here, you have just to enter the name. For example, here I will add tasks, then I will click over done once you're done. Then you have here another list, then you have just to add a task like that, and you get started by adding a title, details, date, and time. And if you want to repeat it, you click over here and you custom here all these things, right? So this is for these options. So to use Google Tasks, you have just to open the application or access to Gmail or Google Calendar, create tasks by typing them in, set due dates, and organize them into lists. You can break big tasks into stupid tasks and check them off as you complete them. Everything synthetics across your devices, keeping you organized on the go. Alright? Right now we have just to switch to calendar because I will show you other things. For example, in the calendar we have a various things also. If you want to create a task, you click over here in the top left and you select here the option of task, and then you have here to add a time firstly. For example, we have here November 2024. You select which day, and then you select also the time, and you select here the button of all day, or we have also here if one does not repeat, daily, weekly on Sunday, monthly on the third Sunday, or annually on November 17, or every weekday, or custom this one by clicking over here and you select here if it's gonna be repeat on how much day. Also we have a day, week, month, year as well. Also here we have repeat on Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and we have Friday and Saturday as well. Also you can add here Sunday if you want, and you can just add which day that you want. For example, here I will delete all these things and I will put it for just 3 days. All right, so I think it's better like that. Then we have here it's gonna be end on which day, and for example I will here select on and I will select the specific day, for example 18 in February 2025. Then I will click over done once I done, and then I will click over save and I will add a title. Also we have other options such as appointment, schedule, event, and I will click over save once I done. Alright, so here we have it right now. Also we have other options that could help you. For example, if you want to search for people, and also we have other things. For example, here I want here 21 and Tuesday, and I will here and 12, for example, and I will select this one, for example, and then I will just here click over task, and this is the second way or the second option that could here for add create a task. I will just here select the time, then I will select here does not repeat, and I will select it's the same. Then you add a description and you click over save. Also we have here my calendars. As you can see, for example, about tasks I already here select the color of purple. If you want to change it, you click over here and then you select which color you want, and it's gonna be like that, as you can see. Also, we have here other calendars. For example, we have holidays in Morocco, and you select here event if you want and other things, as you can see. Let's just come back right now and switch to tasks, and we have in the right other options that could help you. For example, if you want to keep something, you have just to click over here and you take a note and you have just to write whatever you want and you click over done once you're done. All right. Also, we have here other things. For example, we have no notes yet. Your notes from Google Keep will show up here. So we have here Android devices if you want, as you can see. Also, we have a iPhone and a iPad web application and Chrome extension. You can just here download it and you get started with notes on these tasks. Also, we have here all here calendar contacts firstly, and we have maps, and then we have here get add-ons if you want to here select other things. For example, once you click over here, you will find here other page to and you search for application and then you download it from here. All right, so it's very easy. You can just do that as soon as possible because it's very easy, as you can see. So Google Tasks is a simple free tool that helps you stay organized by managing your to-do lists and reminders, whether for work or personal tasks. It keeps everything in one place and synthetic across your devices. It's easy to use, efficient, and a great way to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Give it a try and take control of your day. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.